Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HSA investing with Lively, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore HSA investing with Lively, begin by visiting the Lively website. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your email address and password to sign in. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the Investments section of your dashboard. Review your current investment options and performance. If you do not see any investment options, check if your HSA balance meets the minimum required for investing. If eligible, click on the Start Investing button to explore available investment accounts. Select the type of investment account that meets your goals, such as mutual funds or ETFs. Read through the details, including any fees and risks associated with the investments. After selecting your investments, you'll need to set your investment allocation. Choose how much of your HSA funds you want to allocate to each investment option. Confirm your selections and review your investment strategy. Once you are satisfied with your choices, click on the Confirm button to finalize your investments. You will receive a confirmation message once your investment setup is complete. Keep an eye on your investments by regularly checking your Lively account. Adjust your investment options as needed based on your financial goals and market performance. Remember to keep track of any changes in HSA contribution limits or IRS regulations affecting your investments. With these steps complete, you will effectively restore your HSA investing with Lively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.